Hello, and welcome to another video where I get ready for the world and beat my face with makeup. So on this fateful day, I'm getting ready for picture day at school. You know, we have to have a photo there at somewhere so that people will know, oh, you're a teacher here. So to start off the whole process, I prime my face with a makeup primer here. This is from Maybelline, I think. Got it during the Watson sale. And hi! And make sure you have a good mirror for you to do your makeup, because if not, things will get messed up. And right now I'm putting on the foundation, which is the Maybelline FitMe foundation in the shade 330, which is Toffee, I think. And to brighten up the face, I'm using the FitMe concealer. You want to strategically put this on spaces or places on your face that need a little bit of lightening and popping up. So you can see here, I put it on the bridge of my nose because I know my nose is really high, but I'm going to cut it down later, and I need it to be bright in the spot where it don't cut down. So blend with a beauty blender. Small, we don't want to wipe, we want to bounce. You bounce the beauty blender on your face, and then it marries everything together. Oh, now we go on to concealer. Contour. I kind of messed up here with the line, but as you can see, the art of blending is tiny, millions of tiny little strokes, and you see how that line just kind of disappears. That step took me a while. Okay. And this is the magic, okay? The magic look. This is plastic surgery without plastic surgery. Had a double chin. Bam! Double chin gone. So that's the power of makeup, baby. So if you have a double chin, you want to get rid of it, girl, you can do it. Now, I'm going to do a little bit of rhinoplasty here. I'm going to shave down my nose. My nose did look quite big. See, this is what you can do with makeup if you know how to do it right, you know. It looks a bit crazy right now. This probably scares me a little bit, but with a little brush and 1,000 strokes, you blend that line, that crazy ass line, and you blend, and eventually it's gonna look like a shadow. See, it's gonna look like a shadow, and once it looks like a shadow, look at that nose! Look at it! She was sharp before, she could cut somebody now. Okay, now we gotta set everything in place with powder, okay? So you pat the powder on like a crazy person, let it bake, and then you brush it off. And this will keep all the liquidy stuff in place. Your makeup won't melt. Right, now I'm going in with a brown contouring powder, because the white powder just now kind of minimized the effect of the contouring. You go in with the brown powder to kind of re-contour again. So the previous step was called underpainting, and you should do this step to bring out all that stuff that you work so hard to create. Now I'm going to eyeshadow, and I'm putting this I'm putting this Age Rewind concealer. It's a little bit lighter than my face because I want it to pop the colors of the eyeshadow. Okay, I got this as a birthday present for myself. This is the Makeup Revolution matte rainbow eyeshadow palette from ASOS. Yeah, I was going crazy today, so I decided I'm going to use this. I didn't want to be too shiny in the picture. I didn't want to be that crazy disco ball. But I went with some pretty crazy colors, I have to say. It went with the budget that I was wearing, so it kind of fit. Okay, eyeliner here. I'm using the Rimmel eyeliner. Oh, this mascara. The Silkygirl Double Take Mascara. Y'all, I know I swear by Big Eye, but I'm now a big fan of this. Like, this is bomb. Silkygirl mascaras, I have to say, I like them. So yep, do a couple of coats. A couple of coats will give you that. This doesn't give you that spider leg look, so that was quite cool. Yeah, you see, just look nice and full. And now, oh, part of my birthday present to myself. I also got a few palettes from ASOS. Roxxsaurus Blush palette, and I love it. It's got like 8 shades of blush. Amazing. You can't really see it here because of the lighting in the back. You can't see the effect of the blush, but actually the blush is on the face. is quite good because a brown girl the blush sometimes they don't show, but later you see the blush. I changed the angle, it's going to look nice. Okay, so the blush is on, and now I'm putting on shimmer, and with the little shimmer brush you want to strategically put your blush. Okay, you can tell where your blush should go because when you look at your face in sunlight, it's usually the part that like catches the sun first. Okay, or if you look at yourself in light, it catches the light first. And highlighting your nose, this trick, oh my god, it has changed my life and the life of many other people. I think it's amazing. It just does something to your makeup that takes it. Look at it. Look at that ethereal glow. Oh my goodness. Oh, the nose looks a little bit crazy, but it gets better with time, okay? It will get better with time. You see that highlight? You see that popping? Oh, it was so good. I loved it. And I finished off with the Nita Cosmetics Ribena Matte Bullet Lipstick. I didn't do my eyebrows because I always mess up my eyebrows and it was picture day. I didn't want to have like ulat balunchas on my forehead. So I tried to do an ombre lip with 2 shades of the Nita Cosmetics Matte Lipstick, but the Ribena is too strong, so we ended it at that. Alright, that's the final look! So this is the list of products that I used to achieve. If you're interested, please comment. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching!